Party people! It's Chase the Wax time. Thank you for visiting. Here is the video. What's up, what's up? Welcome to Chase the Wax. We're here for another little fun time. Open up an old packs of Topps 1988 and 98 Donruss by Lee. Anyways, I'm excited to see what these cards are, and anyways, let's get to it, man. Alright, let's go after this orange one right here. Like my 90s flair and these glasses, 80s and 90s, so just decided to rep it for this pack. Ooh, a little sticky. Wonder if it's been ironed. I don't know what card people would want out of this, you know. And this is Donruss was a very collectible pack of cards. Still is. I mean, man, you could almost retire if you own the whole collection of 2 million of them, maybe. Alright, oh, highly sought out, non-existent card. Throw that over there. Steve Sachs, MVP. Man, I remember him being on The Simpsons. What a cool card. Mike Dryer. I remember him. Painted card. Freddie Anderson. Is this pre-steroids? Looks like it. And you're only hitting 450. But hey, live up here in Maryland now. I'm gonna go ahead and give them some love. Maybe give them to my in-laws. Jeff Hudson. Steve Lamberdozzi or something. I don't know. Xavier Hernandez. Look at that. Man, look at all the people there. You want to get a picture with that. Sweet! We got a Cal Ripken, shortstop with a yellow star, all-star card. He's really lunging out and just throwing his hands. That's how he gets a little flip hit. King of that. Hey, it doesn't matter. At least he's playing defense. Man, 1989 American League All-Star Game. 1 for 3, 1 hit. It was a double. Yep, pretty good year for his All-Star game. He's been in 7 at that time. Never really participated too well. That's a really sweet card. Hall of Famer right there. Tim Leary. Man, the weight of these cards is unprecedented. I mean, it's paper thin. Alexandro Pena. 26, man, I like that. Now, I don't know why the Dodgers didn't outline on their jersey. I like it without. Neil Heaton. So the crop on all these cards are a little off. That's kind of a funny picture, but I'm sure his mom loved it. Mike Lacoste. Yeah. California kid. Looks like it. Skinny. Scott Sanderson. Man, he's really getting that bow whip in. Darren Jackson. That boy looks like he's got some pop outfielder. Skinny is all get out. He must be quick. Got another all-star right here. Terry Steinbach. He had a pretty good... So he's been in 2 all-star games and has gone overall 500. It's pretty nice. Alex Sanchez for the Blue Jays pitcher. Rated rookie. That's pretty cool. Never heard of him, and since it's been about, I don't know, 30 years, I'm probably not gonna hear of him. So we got 1980s Topps Major League Baseball, the real one, with the real gum. Gum's in there, it's pink. go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll be back. No bueno. That means something in Spanish. Let's get to it. Ugh. I don't recommend chewing that gum. Mariners, Mark Langston. Penny card. Expo leaders. Let's see who they are. Tim Raines, Mitch Webster, people that everybody knows. I'll put it up there. That's kind of a neat card. Dwayne Henry. Wondering if the catcher's going to throw it back or the umpire. It's always a good look for a card. Jeff Ballard. What's his stats look like? Up and down career. Some good years with 1.41 ERA, and then some with 6 and 7s. He got his money. Too bad it was 80s or 90s money, not 2019 money. Mill Hall. Big head, skinny hands. Bill Allman. Looks like he should be in a Western. Tommy John. Tommy John. I got the Tommy John. Tommy John. Looks like he played 1,000,000 years. After the Tommy John or before the Tommy John? I don't know if he, I mean, his injury made him in the Hall of Fame, I guess. I don't know if he really is or not. Oh, collector's edition card. Man, that's almost like a relic. That's amazing. Teddy Higuera. Where is he from? Mexico. Good for him. Started from the bottom, now he's out. Doug DeClinis. Oh, he's now with the Cardinals. Those Angel uniforms were sweet. I liked it when the Midland Angels and Texas had the same kind of uniforms as California Angels. Pretty cool card. Tom Paganozzi. Jim Will Wonder. He's wondering is the manager going to put him in today or not. Gary Templeton. Looky there. This guy was my manager one year in Arizona Winter League, and I remember he had one of the little earpieces in his ear, and when he was showing me batting practice, I guess someone called him and he hit it, and he was just all of a sudden just started throwing me batting practice and talking. I'm like, what? What? Are you talking to me? And he's like, cool guy, great manager, did really good with him. Was select all league and Gold Glove, no 7 with him. So I'm gonna keep that, man. He was awesome. He was the first guy to hit, get 100 base hits on the left side and right side. He was an awesome switch hitter. Good for him. I'm glad I got his card. Maybe I get him autograph it or something. Ed Romero, Red Sox. Mike Bielek. So, oh sweet, Bo Jackson, Baby Blue Royals. Look at that. That is sweet. Too bad the card is cropped terribly. I guess the sides are not too bad, but top to bottom is off a little bit. But that's a sweet card, I like it. I love getting Bo Jackson cards nowadays. I mean, if Bo Jackson was here right now, he'd probably be sporting these glasses. And hammering like a 4-decker burger or something. I don't know. What a stud. That was cool. Last card we ended on today was Bo Jackson card. You know what? He didn't get to play long enough and really put up his stats because of his hip and knee and everything else, but man, God bless him. He would have been a Hall of Famer. Anyways, that was just Chase the Wax for today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Got some cool cards. Got Bo Jackson, Tommy John, Cal Ripken, Gary Templeton, and some others like Brady Anderson and one rookie and a lot of penny cards. So if anybody likes these cards, you know, you can contact me, ChaseTheWax.com, and pick out this and some graded cards and some other awesome cards. But you know, before we leave, you know what? I feel like I'm gonna do a signature card. So let's bring out the gold pen. Who are we gonna sign today? Let's try to do this Jim Whale of Wonder. So we're gonna do a Big OJ. I started to spell his name Jim or Jan, and then a sweet. And there it is. That is a Chase the Wax original. This is how Jim should really sign his name card. And on all these that I sign, I always let people know that it's not the real signature. But I let them know this card came from Chase the Wax, and they can get it at ChaseTheWax.com. So here are the cards. Oh, these go in the autograph section. Anyways, hope you had a great day, and God bless. Amen. And that was the video. Woo-woo!